Have you ever wondered why honey never spoils, even after thousands of years? This sticky substance has been found in ancient Egyptian tombs, still golden and edible. Its secret lies in its unique composition, with low water content and natural acidity. Beyond its preservation power, honey holds deep cultural significance in civilizations worldwide. The Greeks saw it as a gift from the gods, while ancient Ayurvedic texts praised its medicinal properties. From soothing sore throats to healing wounds, honey is nature's versatile healer. Its journey from bee to table not only enriches our meals, but connects us to a shared history. As we savor each drop, we partake in a tradition that spans millennia, celebrating the enduring miracle of honey.